How to keep our brain and cognitive health great through food. Our brain is one of the most important organs in our body, and keeping it healthy and optimized is really important for our well-being. 6 factors that can impact brain health and cognitive decline are education, exercise, sleep, diet, high blood pressure, and stress. In this video, we are going to be looking at diet and how what we eat can help optimize our brain function and prevent the early onset of brain and cognitive diseases. A diet known as the MIND diet, which stands for Mediterranean Intervention for Neurodegenerative Delay, is a plant-based diet recommended to sufferers of Alzheimer's disease and dementia by medical professionals. This diet also helps reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. The MIND diet consists of whole grain foods that should be eaten daily. Examples of whole grain foods are whole oats, brown rice, bulgur wheat, quinoa, corn, popcorn, whole grain, and whole wheat pastas. A dark green salad along with a colorful vegetable should be eaten daily. Examples of dark green salad are spinach, broccoli, some types of lettuce, and rocket leaves. These dark leaves can be eaten with colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, carrots, and tomatoes. Berries should be eaten at least twice a week. Examples of berries are blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries. If you cannot get fresh, then frozen berries are just as good also. Nuts should be eaten daily. Examples are walnuts, pistachios, almonds, and peanuts. Beans and legumes should be eaten every other day. Examples of beans and legumes are chickpeas, kidney beans, green peas, green lentils, red and yellow lentils, black lentils, and brown lentils. Poultry should be eaten at least twice a week. Fish should be eaten at least once a week. Pomegranate or dark grape juice that is unsweetened. A glass should be drunken daily. Foods to reduce in the MIND diet are butter and margarine. No more than 1 tablespoon a day should be eaten. It is recommended to replace butter and margarine with olive oil. Pastries and sweets. No more than 4 times a week should be eaten. This also includes drinks and other foods that may have a high sugar content. Cheese, fried foods, and fast foods should not be eaten more than once a week. Research has shown that eating these foods will prevent the onset of early brain degeneration and cognitive decline. It's important to note that you can start the MIND diet at any age for your improved brain health, as it is not a fad diet nor a short-term solution. It is a lifestyle change, so you will need to give yourself time to adjust to some of these MIND foods slowly into your everyday life. We hope you found the information in this video useful.